Hey, what's up, everybody? My name's Sam, and today I am going to tell you a story about two goats. This story takes place in a forest. This is the forest. In the forest, there's lots of trees. Tree. Yeah, there's lots of trees in the forest. In the forest, there is also a river. This is the river in the forest. Now, the river is very strong, and the river is very fast. The river is very strong and very fast. So, it's very difficult to cross the river. Yeah, it's very difficult to cross. Yeah, it's very difficult to cross the river. Yeah, very difficult. But there is one place. Yeah, there is one place where you can cross the river. This is a tree that fell. This tree fell over the river. This tree fell over the river. So now animals and people can cross. Yeah, they can cross here. One day, two goats are at the river. Yeah, these are goats. Two goats are at the river. There's a goat on this side of the river, and there's a goat on this side of the river. So there's a goat on each side of the river. This goat wants to cross the river to this side, and this goat wants to cross the river over to this side. So each goat wants to cross to the other side. The two goats start to cross. The two goats start to cross the river at the same time. The two goats start to cross the river at the same time. But there's a problem. There's a problem. The problem is that the tree is very narrow. Yeah, it's too narrow. It's not wide enough. It's not wide, it's narrow. So the goats cannot pass each other. That's a problem. The goats meet in the middle of the tree. Yeah. This is the middle of the tree. The two goats meet in the middle. The goats start arguing about who should cross first. Both goats want to cross first. Neither goat wants to let the other goat cross first. Neither goat wants to let the other goat cross first. The goats are stubborn. The goats are impatient. The goats are impatient. The goats are stubborn. The goats start to push each other. The goats start to push each other with their horns. They push each other back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, until they fall into the river. That's it. That's the story. See you guys later.